Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to set any photo from your gallery as your smartwatch wallpaper using the HiWatch Pro app on your Android phone. The best part is that this method is practically the same for most apps of this type, so it'll be super useful. If you like this content, don't forget to subscribe to support the channel. Now, let's get to the tutorial. First, let's prepare the app. Press and hold the app icon in your menu and go to App Info. Here, it's crucial that you enable location and storage or photos and videos permissions. This will allow the app to read your images. Before proceeding, make sure Bluetooth and GPS are turned on your phone. Now, let's open the app to connect the watch. If you haven't done it yet, go to the Settings section, tap Bind Device, and wait a moment for your watch's name to appear in the list. Select it and confirm it's successfully connected. With the watch ready, look for the Dial Settings Door Image Configuration option. You'll see several watch faces, but choose one that's as a custom once inside. Tap Select Image, pick your favorite photo, and crop it to your liking. Finally, hit Install. Sometimes you need to tap it twice to start. A very important tip: ensure your watch is at 100% battery before starting to avoid it turning off mid-transfer and getting stuck. If this tutorial worked for you, it would help me a lot if you subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.